What's up? I'm Court. If you're here, you're probably a marketer or an influencer who's interested in offering the subscription VIP club to local restaurants. So I'd like to introduce to you the Restaurant Marketing University private coaching program. Now, if you're not familiar with the subscription VIP program, go to www.goexplorolocal.com/merchants and you'll learn all about how the subscription club works. So you have two options. Option number one is you can refer merchants to our website. We will onboard them and you can go at it alone. All right. We will give you a link. And so if you go to send them to the page, they click Let's Get Started. They will pay a one-time $197 setup fee. And then we'll handle all the dirty details. So we will set up the club for the restaurant. We will customize it. We'll do the setup. We'll give them a monthly report. We have a customer service team that will answer questions. We'll handle all the credit card transactions, all the messy details, chargebacks, all of that stuff, tech support, and then we will do ACH payout every 30 days. And we're holding it for 30 days to make sure that there's no chargebacks or anything like that. So you would get a 10% affiliate link. So if you refer someone to us, all right, you would get a link where you would earn 10% of every subscription sold. And you can offer it for free. Doesn't cost you anything to refer somebody, all right? We'll do all the messy onboarding. We'll do all of the things. Then you will get exclusivity with your affiliate link for 60 days. What do I mean by that? Well, we will not give anybody else an affiliate link for 60 days. So you have that time to go upsell your marketing services, go offer social media or TikTok or Facebook, Instagram ads, run emails, table tents, whatever. Get your 10% link inside of the restaurant and in the marketing scope. All right. After that time, if let's say a local influencer wants to feature the subscription, after 60 days, we would give them a link, but you would get first dibs to get yours into the restaurant. All right. So here, let's break down an example. The restaurant of every subscription sold. So let's say it's a $19 subscription. All right. The restaurant gets 75%. So that would be $14.25. You, as the friend and foodie or affiliate, if you will, gets 10%, which would be $1.90 a month. And then finally, development and operations, so that we can keep improving this whole experience, gets 15%. That's $2.85. Okay, so that is how the breakdown works. Now, you're gonna get stuck. I promise you. I've been rolling this out to my clients, getting restaurants signed up. I've gotten stuck. Okay, now I'm not saying I have all the answers, but what I know is another option is that we work together as a team inside of the Restaurant Marketing University. And here's the thing. I don't know what your goals are. Okay, I don't know what your goals are. Is it financial freedom? Is it life freedom? For me, my goal is to be able to have time, have a business where I don't have to worry about money. I can spend time with my kids and go on experiences and do things like that. What is your goal? All right. Here's what I'm offering you is an opportunity to get in at the ground floor, the ground level of this, and be part of our team. All right. We work together. Every single week we have a weekly live coaching call where you can come on, you can ask questions. There's different topics. You'll learn all kinds of stuff. For example, a couple weeks ago, we were on a coaching call. I had a lesson about this new giveaway strategy that we're doing. I haven't been talking publicly about it. Got on the call, and you know what? The students on the call, they had better ideas than I did. I learned a lot from them. So again, I don't have all the answers, but working together, we'll be able to figure out a lot of things and take this to another level. We also have an accountability Facebook group. So in the Facebook group, again, you can ask questions, you can get feedback and support. We will encourage you to take massive imperfect action. I talk about that all the time. And one of the ways to take imperfect action is using an Eats page. If you've been following me, you've probably heard me talk about Eats pages. Basically, long story short, when I started out, I didn't know how to get clients with my marketing agency. So what I started doing was reaching out to people and asking, hey, can I come in and do like a Facebook Live at your restaurant? We'll show off the food, we'll tell your story. And people started inviting me in, and I just started building relationships. I started becoming buddies with them, all right? And as it went on, they started trusting me. I earned that know, like, and trust. It didn't happen with one spammy phone call or email, all right? It took building a relationship. But this is how to get in the door. This is a way to get in the door, and this still works. So inside of the program, we teach this method. We talk about this all the time. But we've taken it up to another level, and I haven't talked about this publicly. I haven't talked in Facebook or on YouTube about it, but we have a new TikTok and Instagram strategy where you can get in using an Eats page. Same concept, but now we're using TikTok and Reels instead of Facebook Live, all right? We talk about it inside of the program. And we have a step-by-step blueprint how to do it. Every single step of the way, everything that you need to be successful, all right? Then all of those latest strategies, like talking about how to edit TikToks and different things that you can do. We talk about it all, and it's all recorded. I think I have over 100 hours of recordings. Now, you're not going to get through all 100 hours, but they're categorized, and you'll be able to find a video with a topic that you're interested in, okay? Then we have an entire game plan of how to pitch and sell subscriptions. The first thing you're gonna wanna know is, how do I pitch this? What do I say? Well, we've got trainings for that. We have trainings for all kinds of things, creating offers. That's a big thing, is how to help the restaurant owners create offers that are winning offers. I've learned lots of things from the people in our team already, all right? Now, remember, we're going to do all the messy stuff that you don't want to do. So even if you're in the coaching program, you don't have to worry about any of that. We will handle it all. So no setup, no customer service. You don't have to worry about any of that stuff. And as a bonus, we have a done-for-you kickoff marketing campaign. Basically, it's a done-for-you campaign, a reactivation campaign, where you can take their existing database of emails and phone numbers, put together, and it's a 3 email sequence, basically. It's not super fancy. It doesn't have a bunch of triggers and things like that. And our goal is to get people into the club and upsell them, okay? And if you referred somebody, we would give you this campaign. You could do it yourself, or we would do it for you using your link. So we would still use your link to send it out. But we will do that for you, and we will also customize a printable and a template that you can use in the restaurant. So if a restaurant owner wants table tents or they want the round stickers, we will create those for you. Printing fee not included. That's something you can ask about. Now, a couple of FYIs. Number one is we're not offering back-end access to the platform. You may have heard it about Crowd. We are not offering the back-end access. Please do not ask the team over there. They are working very hard. They will tell you the same thing. They will tell you no. So I'm just going to save you some time. Messenger bots are no longer supported. In lots of the training up until about 6 months ago, we were using messenger bots. They're awesome. They're also super clunky, okay? And there's a lot of problems with them. So we are no longer supporting that. So just an FYI. But as I mentioned a second ago, we're testing a brand new giveaway strategy, all right? So stay tuned for that. Right now, only US dollars are supported. So if you're in another country, I'm sorry, at this time, we can only support US dollars. And you might be asking about Go High Level. I love Go High Level. It's a great email tool, funnel builder. I use Go High Level all the time for my agency. We have API integration coming very, very soon. So if you're interested in learning more about that, that will only be to people in our coaching program, all right? So I am inviting you to join our team. Join our team and be part of our university. Get those weekly coaching calls. Come on and ask questions. Get support in the Facebook group. Learn how to get clients with an Eats page. We will teach you the entire process. And we'll do all the setup that you don't want to do, plus this done-for-you kickoff campaign, all right? And then we're going to teach you how to upsell your services. We will teach you how to use their existing database, to use your 10% link, how to upsell them Facebook and Instagram ads with your 10% link, and how to sell them social media services like TikTok or printables or social media with your 10% link. So think about all the opportunities here to upsell them on your services. So just imagine, instead of just having 5 clients paying you, let's say $300 to $500, so $1,500, imagine if you had all of these had 100 subscribers. All of these had 100 subscribers paying, and you got 10% of each. So if I'm not a math person, 500 times $1.90 is about $9.50. So 1,500 plus this. Look at how that impacts your bottom line, and think about how it can grow from there. You can do the math. All right. So everybody's in their own unique place. You may have no clients right now. You may have 100 clients. Do the math and see what you believe is possible, because anything is possible. Think about what you want. Set that goal, and then let's go get it. All right, let's go make it happen. And I would love for you to come on the journey with us as part of the team. So to be part of the team, it is a $197 a month membership. All right, $197 to get everything that we just talked about. All right, this is no BS, no haggling, no additional software required. There's no upsells, and you can cancel anytime. So if you want to just try it for a month and you're like, let me see if this is any good or not, you can try it for a month and you can go on. So what you would do is go to info.goexplorelocal.com/RMU/join. I know that's long. I will drop a link below, and you would go and sign up right here. Again, it's just a $197 a month membership. You get all of the stuff we talked about. You know, everything that you will need to be successful and get rolling, all right? Just for $197 a month. Cancel at any time. No BS, no upsells, all right? So if you have questions, what questions do you have? Email hello@goexplorelocal.com. We will get back in touch with you and answer your question. So hope you're having a fabulous day. Thanks for tuning in. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.